Okay, so I'm trying out IBM's Watson X. Someone told me about this. The IBM people told me about it at the IBM booth at the Collision Conference, the recently concluded Collision Conference. So I am trying out Watson X and what it does. So far I've just signed up and it has a lot of things you have to first set up, as I'm going through the tour. I entered a prompt and now they've taken it to my sandbox, my prompt lab. In chat mode, if you have a conversation, hold on, I should be recording this. In chat mode, you have a conversation with large language. In structured mode, you enter instructions, examples, text input in separate fields. In freedom mode, okay. Configuration, you can select different models, adjust the model parameter, or view the prompt code. Okay, select a sample to load predefined prompt in structure, freedom view, or load yourself prompts. Okay, so let's start a prompt chat. Let's see, structured. Am I recording this? Yes. Instruction, okay, nice. So this one can be instruction freeform. Enter your prompt. Remember, this is not a chat interface. Provide, okay. And this is, let me see what models they have. Okay, they have ones. Oh, they have, of course, their own model called Granite. I didn't know that. They're on 13 billion parameters. Cool. MTX 13 billion, Code Llama, of course, Flatten by Google, a couple of Google models in here, Mistros Melinite, of course, Granite, and a couple of theirs. They have 20B models, they have 30B models, and of course you have Llama and all the other models, the basic model, but most of them are just theirs. I'm not seeing any, just their model, some Google models, and Meta. So by default they've given me Granite 13B. Let's start a chat and see. Customize the chat before you start chatting. You can change the model, edit the system prompt, and adjust the model parameters. I know that. Okay, let's see. Create a template for a chatbot UI using the best means you see fit. Okay, let's see. Okay, just not sure how to improve your system. Don't try this system prompt tips. It did not give me anything. I don't know if it's responding. Let me try their system prompts. Wait, they are tips, they're not actual. Oh wait, I think I should first. And it is trying to respond, but it's taking a long time. But in the meantime, let me see if I can open this sandbox thing again and see what's in there. Okay, so add data to work, chat and build prompts with foundation models, tune a foundation model with labeled data. Let's try this. Upgrade required. You need to upgrade to tune, just like most, but you'd have your name, the purpose, tags. Okay, and I'm not upgrading, so oh yeah, this thing crashed. Okay, let's try the structured. Tell the model what to do. Okay, let me look up a prompt from any of my prompt libraries, which should pause this. Damn, this is slow. And I want to continue this. Prompt. I'm just looking for a prompt. Let's see what's this. Some prompts. Here we go. This is processing something. Oh yeah, I'm analyzing my disk usage. But yeah, this is IBM's Watson. Why is France blue? I guess. Instruction: answer questions as if you were 5 years old. Okay, let's try. What else do I need to set up here? Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, we got something. Oh, so here you can set the desired output if you want it to give a desired output for a desired, so why is France blue? I could say because they are lovely, whatever. Let's try that again and see. Why is UK sad? Because they lost the World Cup. Why do birds fly to find food? Why do dogs? Okay, it's you give it an inference and then it begins from there. Anyway, I'll get deeper into that sometime back. I just need a prompt to put here. Okay, I have a couple of prompts. Let's try screenwriter. Let's just generate and see what it gives me. Okay, this is the freeform. We got some prompts. Nice. Okay, and then the chat part is the one. Let's see if that gives me anything. Okay. Okay, I'm so nice. Okay, I'll surely be able to go deeper into this and what it can do, but this was my first tryout at IBM's Watson X. Alright, I'm pretty sure this thing is running out of space soon, so I'm going to stop this here, save this recording if it can save.